Hey there traders, good day and welcome back here to our channel guys. So in today's video guys, I've just deposited $100 here on my account as you can see, and I've already done my analysis on TradingView. So I'll be trying to double this $100 in front of you guys here so you can see for yourself how I normally do flip account. You get, so I'll not advise you to follow this process or do what you're about to see me do here because it's a very bad trading habit. You get the concept. You get, I only do it on an account I'm willing to lose. So I'll just start executing my buy setup right now. You get, I'll just start executing my buy setup right now. I already done my analysis on TradingView. Take note, I've already done my analysis on TradingView. So here I just want to double this account real quick for you guys to see it for yourself. You get, oh yeah, let's start stuff. Okay, as you can see here, they say no money. So if I should come here now, you notice what we have this running trade here. I'm already running about 20 something dollars. You get, so because of the this account I'm using, I think it's a swap account, that swap free, something like that. So they charge you commission if you open any trade. So initially I deposited $100, and because I executed this trade, they're now seeing $83 here. You get, so it's because of the commission for spread, blah blah blah. You get, so I think I'll change this account because I'm not cool with it. Maybe I'll go with the standard account, but for this video, let's work with this very account. So stick with me to the very end of this video guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go guys. Let's go. Now we execute trade when others are scared. You get, we execute trade when others are scared to enter, when they are thinking will this buy or will this sell, will this buy or will this sell. That's when we execute our trade. You get, without being scared of anything. If we lose guys. You get, if I lose this $100, I'm okay with it. You get, if I lose this $100 right now, I'm okay with the whole thing. All right guys, so just stick with me as we do this together. You get, so we are still here. Okay, $30 profit. You get, all right. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, we are still playing around here. We are still playing around. So you can see the entry guys. No cap, no cap. We are running $50 profit right now. $50 profit right now. $48. So if you look here now, you can see what? You can see the entry. You get, you can see the entry right there. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. You get crazy profit guys, crazy profit, crazy profit. We just double this account. Guys, we just double this account. No cap, we just double this account. You can see for yourself. You can see it for yourself. It's up in less than no time. You get the concept. So that's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. So guys, I'll be closing this trade right now. Yeah, as you can see, we have what? We have $83 here, and we are running in what? We are running in massive profit. You get, we almost, okay, you can see it here first. You can see the running trade here. Or let me just hold a little bit. Like, I don't want to be greedy here. You get, because I don't want to be greedy here. But anyways, let me just hold a little bit. Then I'll just close everything real quick. You get, so that's how it is. Yo. So I don't want to pause this video. I don't care how long this video will take, but I need to do it from start to finish with you guys. You get, else maybe I would have paused the video then come back later to check blah blah blah, those kind of stuff. But I don't want to pause this very video, so I'll do it here with you guys. You get, so even if you want to take 1 hour before I double this account, no problem. You get the concept. So you can see our entry right here. Boom, sniper. Don't joke with me. Boom, we just double this account guys. We just double this account. You get, so I'm out. I don't want to be greedy here. Whew. So I'm not greedy. I'm just leaving this stuff. Okay, $108, $113. Wow, guys. So we took $83 to $225. You can see it. $83 to $228. So so guys, I'm closing this trade right now. I'm closing. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. You see how easy it is. You get just you just know what you're doing. And this thing is still flying, guys. So I don't want to be greedy. I'm okay with it, guys. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever an awesome video likes your job, guys. And don't forget to like this very video, guys. Peace, until our next video.